This option YouTube search terms is very important for every YouTuber. Because if you use the keywords the viewers search for in the search tag of the video, your video is more likely to rank. As a result, this data is very important. Are you a YouTuber? Are you having trouble tracking your channel analytics? Or are you having trouble seeing your video analytics? Then this video is for you. After watching this video, you will easily understand how many views your video has, how many impressions it is, how many like and comment it has, which tag your video has been viewed by, from which countries your videos are being viewed. You will get all kinds of analytics. This video is going to be very important. You should watch the entire video without skipping. For this, you first have to install the app called YouTube Studio from the Play Store. So you can see that I have the YouTube Studio app installed here. I will open it now. After opening it, you will first get the dashboard option here. Here you will see your channel analytics. At the top, it will show how many viewers and watch time you have. After that, you will click on the content option at the bottom. There you will see all your shorts and long content. You should watch the complete video carefully. I will now show you the analytics of this video. For this, I will now click on this video. After clicking, click on the video performance option that you can see. Then you will first see the views and watch time of your video here. Then in the reach option that is here, you will see all the information about your impression click rate, views and unique views. So you can see that the impressions are very low in this video, and as such there are no views. There are some problem in this video, so those of you whose channel have relatively low views or no views, please comment me and I will create a solution video for them. As a result, your video will increase in views and video ranking will increase. However, I am now trying to show you the complete analytics through another video. As a result, you will be able to understand your analytics system very easily. So now I will click on the video and from the click on video performance. So you can see here how many views this video has received to our views. And through the subscribe option on the right side, it shows how many subscribers you have received from this video. Then if you scroll down, you will see how many views you have received directly in this real time. Then if you go to the reach option, you will first see how many views your video has received. In this next option, you will see through which medium your video has been viewed. That is how many people have viewed it by searching suggested videos or those whose medium your video had been viewed. You will see all the information here. Then you can see the option external site or app, through which you can understand what type or how many views you have received from external sites. The option below that is YouTube search terms. That is through this you can understand through which tag views have searched and views your video more times. Here this option YouTube search terms is very important for every YouTuber. Because if you use the keywords the viewers search for in the search tag of the video, your video is more likely to rank. As a result, this data is very important. Then there is the engagement option on the right side. You will get your views, watch time, average watch time, and various other information. Then the last option is audience by behavior, where you can see how many new viewers have watched your video, how many return viewers, how many regular viewers. You will also get various type of information here. Then you can see the option of viewers on the bottom, through which you can understand which other video viewers are interested in watching along with this video. The next option is device type, which means which device are belong used to watch your video. The next option is age, through which you can see which age group of people is most interested in watching your video or watching your video. The next option is gender, which gender people are watching your video more. You can also see here Then the option is geography, which means from which countries your video is being watched or which country viewers are watching your videos. It will show here. The next option is subtitle or language, which means in which language people are watching your video more, or what percent of people in which language are watching your video. It will show here. So you can see this way channel or video analytics. So these are very important for every YouTube channel, because by checking there you will understand how to encourage the growth your YouTube channel. So this was all kinds of information about YouTube analytics. How did you like the video? Definitely like and comment. If you like the video and solve your problem, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. There are also various types of videos on YouTube and YouTube channel customization. You can watch them, or you can watch all those video link give in the description box. May everyone be well and healthy. Thank you very much to everyone.